Closing market comments for Friday, April the 16th. Markets opened about unchanged last night, rallied during the session, and then closed mixed on the day. Corn closed down 4 cents on old, unchanged on new. Beans were up 15 cents on old, up a nickel on new, and wheat closed down 1 cent on old and new. For those of you who are forward contracting, you might want to look closely at fall 21 and fall 22 values. Prices are above historical levels, and you probably need to consider pricing at least a portion of your crop. Relatively quiet news day today. Rainfall is showing to hit dry areas of Brazil over the 6 to 10 day forecast. U.S. is showing rain in the next week, coming for both the Western Plains and the Corn Belt, with snow in part of the Western Plains. Brazilian Grain Exchange increased the Argentina corn crop today on better than expected yields. They went from 45 to 46.0 million metric tons. That compares to the U.S. at 47.5 for their crop. Tensions continue between China and Taiwan and between Russia and Ukraine. We'll have to see over the weekend what happens there. Chinese pork production for the first quarter of the year was up 32%, but as we have seen recently, that number is now declining again because of African swine fever. Will China keep all the grain purchased on the books with lower pig numbers, or will they cancel? What about the increased food prices there and in Russia? What impact will that have? 30 and 90 day forecasts call for warmer temperatures and lower precipitation in the western Corn Belt and Plains. If that's correct, this market could get really wild. The dollar today was down 88 points at 91.520. Gold was up $9.70 at $17.7650, and silver was up 56 points at 26.020. Crude oil traded both sides again today before closing down 35 cents at 63.11. Stock futures were all higher again, with several companies reporting better than expected earnings. Dow futures were up 136, Nasdaq up 5, and S&P up 10. Traders will be looking at planting progress and weather forecasts on Sundays to decide whether to buy or sell. Fund positions have not come through yet tonight, but I would expect that we will see record long positions in corn. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.